Hello students, let's start in this session the use of past statement in we'll learn to use the past statement in Python. So we clear it with an example. Here we taking a function. We know whenever we want to do separate tasks in a same program, then it is better to use functions. We should write those separate tasks in functions. Here we are finding a square of an enter number under square function. So function is always created using def keyword. Def is a keyword and square is the name of function, and under it we are writing its set of statements. Here a number will be entered and entered number will be squared and square answer will be printed on screen. So next we want to find factorial and then prime number and reverse of enter number. We want to do these tasks also. If we want to do these tasks also, then we will have to write these tasks in separate functions. So we have taken here factorial function, prime number function, reverse function, and if I run or if we run this program, only this program, then error will come. Then Python compiler will give error because we have written def factorial statement, but we have not written its statement. So if we write only definition of function like this def factorial, then compiler gives error. So we should write statements under it. If we don't write statements under it, then compiler will show us errors. In the case of first function square, no error will come. But in case of factorial, in case of prime number, in case of reverse, error will come because we have not written statements under it. And to solve this problem, suppose if we don't want to write statements under it, but we want to create functions, then we can write here past statement. If we want to write its statements later, then we can use past statements under it. Now if you will run this program, then compiler will not give error, because when compiler will read past statement, it will understand no operation has to be done. So it will do nothing and it will not show any error. So now you have learnt the use of past statement. So what is past statement? In Python, past statement is used when the programmer wants to bypass any coding segment. We don't want to write the coding of factorial and prime number or reverse of enter number this time. We want to ignore, we will write later. So then we have to write past statement there so that compiler do not give error. So past keyword is used to execute nothing. So Python compiler or interpreter does not ignore the past statement. When this past statement is executed, it results in no operation. So we complete this program. While true, we are using here an infinite loop, and we know infinite loop will keep on running its statements, and we are printing here 1 square, 2 factorial, 3 prime number, 4 reverse and 5 stop, and here we are getting a entry, enter choice. If choice And so to stop infinite loop, we have to write a stopping condition also. So we are writing here, if ch equal to 1, if the value of ch will be 1, then it should run square function. So square function will be called then square function we have written under if ch equal to 1 square function. This is a calling statement. So square calling statement will run its set of statements and square of enter number will be printed. So and in the case of ch2, if 2 is entered, if anybody enters 2 into ch, then we have not written factorial coding. So then we should pass this statement. So we have written if ch equal to 2, pass. And in case of 3, if 3 is entered into ch, then compiler should also pass this. And if 4 is entered, then compiler should also pass. And if 5 is entered, then compiler should stop the loop. So here break statement will stop the loop and pass statement will do nothing. When 2 or 3 or 4 will be entered, pass statement will do nothing. And in this way we can run this program, and later we can write the coding under those functions. And when we will write the coding of those functions, then we can remove pass statement and we can use calling statement of those function in place of pass statement. So I hope you would have understood this topic. So thank you. Thanks for this session. Have a nice time and keep on watching our channel, and please subscribe our channel. Have a nice time. Stay safe and bye bye.